So we've got no grip, so we'll see if we can put some rubber on the wheels. And I use this self-amalgamating tape. I've shown it in another video. It's rubber that sticks to itself if you pull it nice and tight. It comes with a plastic backing that you take off. It's used for plumbing. And it doesn't actually stick to the plastic, so you have to try and hold it in place until you can get it around the wheel. It'd be easier if I could take the wheel off, but I can't. You need to stretch it, and when it's stretched, it does grip itself. In fact, it grips itself so well that it can be used for waterproofing applications. Right, that should do for that wheel. I won't worry about the drive wheels at the moment, because the problem at the moment is we've got no steering, because it just slides everywhere. That's coming off. As I say, until it's actually over itself, it doesn't grip. There we go. Once it's over itself, it's all right. That should do. See if that gives us a bit more grip. Right, let's give it a try. It's turning. I'll put the trailer on it because it was the trailer that was stopping it turning, because it's upsetting the balance. You turn the opposite way to the way that you want the trailer to go to get it started. That's top speed now. That'll do, I think. It works, and that bit of extra grip improved it, but it'd do better with rubber tyres. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.